Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Behance on your laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. I'm going to show you how to do this in two different ways. So the first way is going to be using Google Chrome. So what we need to do is head on over to behance.net, and now once we're on the page, we need to click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, then scroll down, click onto where it says car save and share, and to the left of that it's going to say install page as app, and then a little box should appear, install this page as an app. Apps open in a window, Behance, and click on install. You can change the name if you like. So now that's going to install it as an app. So if I drag that over here, you can see Behance is opened on it as an app, and also it's created a desktop shortcut onto my desktop. So if I double click that, it's going to open it up as an app. Now another way to do this is if you got Microsoft Edge, go ahead and go over to Edge, open up Microsoft Edge, and then go to behance.net again. Make sure to spell it correctly, so hit enter. Alright, so we're at behance.net. I'm just going to remove this desktop shortcut. Now reopen up Behance. Now once you're inside of here, click on the three dots and then look for the option where it says more tools, and then come to the left and then click onto apps, and then it will say install this site as an app. And then again it's going to say the same thing, install this site as an app. Click on install. You can change the name if you like, and now here it is here, installed as an app onto your computer, PC, laptop. And another thing that's cool about doing it from Microsoft Edge, we've got an option here to allow this app to pin the taskbar, pin the start, create a desktop shortcut, auto start on device login. So if I just want to do create desktop shortcut, I'm going to click allow, and now that's going to install the shortcut onto my computer.